Have you ever heard the word GRC? In this series, we are going to understand GRC completely. It's essential for managing digital risks in today's world.
What is GRC? GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. It's a structured approach that large organizations, such as banks, IT companies, factories, and government departments, use to manage their operations effectively, securely, and in a well-controlled manner. As we can see, the GRC has three main parts. 1. Governance. 2. Risk management. And 3. Compliance. Governance. This is about setting clear rules, direction, and leadership for the company. Risk management. This means identifying possible dangers or problems before they happen. Compliance. This means strictly following all the laws and rules made by the government and industry. A simple real-life example. Imagine a big bank like SBI or HDFC, where thousands of people work together to manage money safely and efficiently. Governance means the board of directors decides the bank's big plans, like how much loan to give and where to open new branches. Risk means they check if giving loans is safe, if there is a chance of losing money, or if hackers can attack the system. Compliance means they follow rules given by RBI, keep customer data safe, and pay taxes properly. If GRC is strong, the bank stays safe, customers are happy, and big problems are avoided. Let's talk about the key benefits of GRC: governance, risk, and compliance. First, efficiency. GRC helps a company run smoothly by reducing waste and improving profits. When processes are clear and structured, less time and money are wasted. Second, protection from losses. GRC helps organizations identify risks early and avoid major financial losses or unexpected problems. Third, avoiding legal issues. By following rules and regulations properly, companies can stay safe from penalties, fines, and legal trouble. Fourth, better teamwork. GRC ensures that all departments work together instead of working in silos. This improves communication and overall performance. So, what's the simple idea behind all this? GRC is a system of safety, rules, and smart planning. It helps companies operate in the right way and avoid costly mistakes.
Hope you got the idea. This is especially important if you are studying BCom, MBA, CS, or cybersecurity. Understanding GRC gives you a strong foundation for real-world business and IT environments. Stay with us as we explore GRC. Let's look at how these elements connect to build your expertise. We'll dive deeper next.